Good day, Miss Mera. I'm going to read my essay about lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compound. Its organic compounds are important in modern farming, helping improve crop yields, pest control, and agricultural efficiency. Lipids, which include fats, oil, and wax, are essential for plants. They store energy, build cell membrane, and help produce hormones in agriculture. Lipids from plants and animals are used in fertilizer, pesticide, and even biofuels. Vegetable oils can improve plant growth and help plants survive stress. Natural products came from plants, animals, or microorganisms and have been used in farming for a long time. They are effective against pests, fungi, and weeds. Using natural products help farmers reduce synthetic chemical making form and move sustainable and eco-friendly. Synthetic organic compounds made through chemical processes have transformed agricultural. Pesticides control harmful insect herbicides. However, over overusing this chemical can harm the environment and lead to resistant to pests and weeds. Lipids, natural products, and synthetic compounds are key to modern farming, and using them wisely, farmers can grow more food while protect the environment. Future innovation should focus on sustainable farming methods to reduce negative impact on nature. By understanding their properties and application, farmers make informed decisions to optimize the production, protect the environment, ensure food security. As technology abundance, it is crucial to develop innovation and sustainable approaches that minimize the negative impact of agricultural practices on environment. Future innovation should focus on sustainable farming methods to reduce negative impact on nature, and also most focused on developing eco-friendly methods that minimize negative environmental impact while maintaining high productivity.